falling whispers, soft and slow, on velvet petals, hushed and low. A silver thread from sky to ground. You wake the garden without sound. Oh, rain, you paint the world in light, turn every leaf to crystal bright. You sing in drops on window glass, a lullaby that's meant to last. You kiss the soil with tender grace and weave your dreams through time and space. The roses bloom beneath your care, dressed in diamonds from the air. Oh, rain, you paint the world in light, turn every leaf to crystal. You sing in drops on window glass, a lullaby that's meant to last. No storm, no thunder, just your song, a gentle rhythm, pure and long. You don't destroy